फतेही के एक वीडियो ने मचाया बवाल। नोरा फतेही ने किया फैंस को सरप्राइज। Nora Fatehi and Ciara danced to Saki Saki, surprising fans worldwide. The video showcased their chemistry, prompting potential future song together. दरअसल अमेरिकन पॉप स्टार सियारा ने डांस किया नोरा फतेही के हिट सॉन्ग साकी साकी पर। तो वहीं पर नोरा ने सोशल मीडिया पर इसका एक वीडियो भी पोस्ट किया विद सियारा, जहां पर दोनों को डांस करते हुए देखा जा सकता है, एंड दैट टू साकी साकी का हुक स्टेप। Well, this unexpected collaboration surprised fans all over the world, making their jaws drop. और तो और नोरा ने इस डांस का एक वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पर भी किया है शेयर। नोरा ने ये वीडियो सियारा के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में पोस्ट किया, who is known for her international hits like Goodies, Level Up and Love and Magic to name a few. नोरा ने इस वीडियो के कैप्शन में लिखा, So I just got my girl Ciara doing the iconic Saki Saki hook step. This is insane. She's such a fun, beautiful soul. Can't wait to jam with you again. Guys, should we drop a song together next? #dance with Nora. Nora can be seen wearing a grey halter neck top with jeans and heels while Ciara wore an all black attire. इस वीडियो को नेटिजन्स का मिल रहा है काफी सारा प्यार, as netizens are very happy to see Ciara do a Bollywood song's hook step, जहाँ पर एक फैन ने लिखा, This is insane, OMFG, 2 literal queens. We definitely need the behind the scenes of this cause, OMG, so good. Can't wait to see you guys work together in future. Another fan could not keep calm as she wrote, iconic with fire emojis. Love everything about this duo. A third comment demanded for a collab. OMG, I want a collab. One social media user wrote, 2 queens breaking the internet, now just drop the song together, girls. Fans could not believe Nora dancing in heels and wrote, Linda Louboutin's is diabolical. How do you dance like those in those heels? It's unbelievable. आपको बता दें, फिलहाल नोरा फतेही का करियर एक इंटरनेशनल हाई पर है, जहां पर उन्होंने हाल ही में एक इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स भी अटेंड किए थे इन लास वेगस। तो वहीं पर द कैनेडियन एक्ट्रेस सिंगर ऑफ मोरक्कन ओरिजिन वॉक द रेड कार्पेट इन अ ग्लैमरस लेपर्ड प्रिंट मिडरिफ बेयरिंग ड्रेस। जो भी हो, फैंस को नोरा के डांस मूव्स तो बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है, और ये कोलैबोरेशन देखकर तो नेटिजन्स हो गए हैं और भी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड। रेड फ्लैग्स, रिलेशनशिप्स और अनन्या पांडे, जब प्यार में बदल जाती हैं अनन्या पांडे ने हाल ही में एक इंटरव्यू में दिल खोलकर बात की है अपने रिलेशनशिप्स और उसमें खुद को बदलने पर। द कॉल मी बे स्टार, जो अक्सर अपने थॉट्स शेयर करती हैं, इस बार फिर से हेडलाइंस में है। अनन्या ने कन्फेस किया कि जब वो किसी से डीपली इन लव होती हैं, तो अक्सर रेड फ्लैग्स को ओवरलुक कर जाते हैं। पति पत्नी और वो एक्ट्रेस ने माना कि वो इंसान के लिए खुद को बहुत बदल देती हैं। उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल्स देते हुए बताया कि वो वही फिल्म्स देखना शुरू कर देती हैं जो उनका पार्टनर देखता है, या उनकी तरह ड्रेसअप होना शुरू कर देती हैं। इसका रीजन उन्होंने अपनी पीपल प्लीजिंग पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट को बताया। एक्ट्रेस ने साफ कहा, इट इज नॉट गुड। लेकिन अनन्या ने ये भी कहा कि हर किसी को रिलेशनशिप में वैसा ही रहना चाहिए जैसे वो है, और आपका पार्टनर आप जैसे हो वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करे। रिलेशनशिप्स में रेड फ्लैग्स पर बात करते हुए उन्होंने चीटिंग, लाइंग एंड डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग इन पब्लिक को सबसे बड़े रेड फ्लैग्स बताया। आई थिंक समवन हु कांट बी हैप्पी फॉर यू व्हेन यू आर डूइंग वेल इज अ बिग रेड फ्लैग, स्पेशली फॉर सक्सेसफुल वुमेन। उन्होंने मेन के लिए भी एम्पैथी दिखाते हुए कहा, आई ऑल्सो फील बैड फॉर मेन बिकॉज दे आर ऑफन पुट अंडर दिस सोसाइटल प्रेशर दैट दे नीड टू बी अ सर्टेन वे। वर्क फ्रंट की बात करें तो अनन्या को लास्ट केसरी चैप्टर 2 में अक्षय कुमार और आर माधवन के साथ देखा गया था। फिल्म में उन्होंने दिलरीत गिल का रोल प्ले किया था, जो जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर के आफ्टरमैथ पर बेस्ड थी। और अब अनन्या के पास प्रोजेक्ट्स की लंबी लाइन है। ये ऑफिशियली कंफर्म हो चुका है कि वो कार्तिक आर्यन के ऑपोजिट तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी में लीड रोल में नजर आएंगी। फर्स्ट लुक पोस्टर ने तो ऑलरेडी एक्साइटमेंट डबल कर ही दी है, और ये डुओ की पति पत्नी और वो के बाद सेकंड कोलैबोरेशन होगी। इसी के अलावा वो अपनी पॉपुलर सीरीज कॉल मी बे में भी बे का रोल रिवाइव करते हुए दिखाई देंगी। तो क्या आप भी अनन्या के इन कन्फेशंस से रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं?
Amir Khan, Bollywood's very own Mr. Perfectionist, is finally back on the big screen after a long break. Known for choosing impactful and meaningful roles, Amir is all set to return in 2025 with his new film, Sitare Zameen Par. But while the spotlight has always been on Amir's incredible performances, the actor recently opened up about the tough times his family went through when he was growing up. Speaking candidly on a podcast, Amir shared some personal and emotional memories of his childhood. Despite being born into a film family, Amir revealed that his family didn't have it easy. He explained how his father, film producer Tahir Hussain, went through a major financial crisis. Amir shared how most people think that film producers are wealthy, but that's far from the truth. There were a lot of financial problems at home. Usually, people think film producers have a lot of money. There's no truth to that. Most producers struggle a lot to make ends meet. There was a film of Abba Jaan, Father, Locket, which took 8 years to make. There were problems with the actors' dates, so the film, which was supposed to finish in 1.5 years, stretched to 8 years. The long delay in completing the film meant no income for the Khan family for almost 8 years. Amir opened up about how this period led to a vicious cycle of debt, with his father trapped in high-interest loans. There was no income at home for 8 years because Abba Jaan had taken a loan and the interest was top level at 36%. There was a very long rough patch in the middle. During this time, Amir was still a young boy, but he felt the weight of responsibility. As he was playing competitive tennis, he did whatever he could to help his family. Amir added, "I used to play competitive tennis then. Since I knew there's stress at home, I'd keep whatever prize money I won with my mother, and tell her if she wants to buy any of my stuff, like shoes or clothes, she should buy from that money." When I'm saying all this, I'm realizing I became responsible from a very young age. Amir Khan's journey wasn't always easy, but it shaped the person he is today. With his return to the big screen in Sitare Zameen Par, we can't wait to see the next chapter in this superstar's inspiring career. Sara Ali Khan, known for her candid personality and unfiltered honesty, recently admitted to feeling jealous when Alia Bhatt won her first national award for Gangubai Kathiawari. During an interview while promoting her upcoming film Metro, in Dino, Sara shared how she initially felt upon hearing the news of Alia's win and reflected on her own wrong perceptions. In the interview, Sara explained her thoughts at the time. "When Alia got the national award, I was like, God, she got it. She has a kid also, her life is set." She continued, "But I don't know what she went through to get that. I, as an actor, dehumanized her." These words reflect how Sara, in her moment of envy, focused solely on the success she saw on the surface, without considering the personal and professional struggles that led to Alia's achievement. Sara went on to acknowledge her mistake in not recognizing the full picture. "You don't know. She must have had challenges and disappointments too, to reach where she has. But I didn't realize what went into it. There are two sides to every coin," she shared, highlighting the importance of understanding the hidden efforts behind someone's success. Reflecting further on envy, Sara expressed, "Most often, when we are envious of other people, we feel so without all the information. We are envious because we just see that success and then we want that. We don't see what goes behind it, we never see it. Envy means blindness." This thoughtful reflection underscores how envy often blinds us to the hard work and sacrifices that contribute to another person's success. As Sara prepares for the release of Metro, in Dino, directed by Anurag Basu, her openness about her past jealousy offers an important lesson. Success is not just about the rewards but about the unseen journey. It encourages others to cultivate empathy and understand that every achievement comes with its own challenges and sacrifices.
Bye.